What's up, guys? This is MrMangoHead coming at you with another video. You guys forgive me, I'm a little winded. I just came up and down the attic and up and down in the basement. So I just, hit 3 flights. Anyway, I am doing this video today, and the reason why I have my camera pointed at a thermostat is because I'm going to install the Nest programmable thermostat. So, I'm going to do it on the fly. And what on the fly means to me is off of no instructions, because I'm that guy. I'm hoping that I don't have to use everything that came in the box. I have a previous video that explains everything that came in the box. All the different screws and the brackets and the plates and all of that. So I'm not going to be going over those parts. I'm just going to leave a link in the unboxing video for the unboxing video in the description of this video. But at any moment now, one of my offspring could run out of here and disrupt this video. So I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible. Yeah, you heard that. And see if I can get this thing installed quickly. Now, I'm somewhat familiar with this current panel because this current panel, I have installed, or the current panel that I have messed with before. I just remember what I do to get this thing off. There's somewhere where there it is. You pry it off. And there you go. Now, as this panel's off, now check it. This part's important, and I'm going to zoom in for you. Okay? And the reason why I say this part's important is because we need to recall where the wires are now so we can put them in the right place when it's time to install the other one. So if you're smart like I just did, you're going to take a picture. These are Phillips holes, so I'm going to unscrew that one, and I'm hoping these holes line up. I really do. Like this one here might be stripped, so we'll see. Might not be stripped. We'll see. Come on. Trying to come out. Yep, it's stripped. So I'm going to pull that out. And see, look at that. This isn't our first thermostat. So look at all those holes, man. It don't make no sense. Hopefully with this, I can kind of fix some of our hole problems. Hopefully. So now that I got that like this, let me go ahead and, so the green one is in the G, the white one is in a W, and it won't always correspond with letters like that. For example, this blue one is in a Y slot, and the red one is in a RC slot. So let me go ahead and unscrew this. All right. And wasn't Nest gracious for including the screwdriver? Nest is awesome. All right. All right. So, old thermostat off now. What some folks like to do is put their this is the actual thermostat, but some folks like to put it together before. So there's RC, there's G, I see W1. I'm gonna go with W1 first. And then what was the other one? Y. So I'm gonna go with Y1. Let me take another look at this. Yep, W1, Y1, and there's a Y2, and I see RC. So, but I'm not gonna put that together first. What I'm gonna do is see if I can utilize some of these same holes. So I don't have to make new ones. Because if that's the case, then that would be awesome. I think this is the best hole coverage right here. So let me flip these around. Put it down. And flip this around here. And what you're going to see is that this plate goes on. And when the plate goes on, this plate here is going to sit on top of it. Like this. Okay? So, most of my holes get covered except for that one. I can live with that. Because prior, I had a bunch of holes and this one's just there, but this plate won't reach them all. You can even go long. But no, I'm gonna go with the horizontal. And I don't know if you noticed, but I'm using for some reason I like keeping new screws. But that first screw you saw me put in place is one of the screws from the previous installation. The Nest screws are serious. They mean business. And I'm not even going to put them in this hole. I'm going to put them here, up and down. So I eyeballed this. I didn't even check to see if it was level, but it's gonna be. Let me get a quick little level test here. The Nest actually comes with a little level built into it. Gotta love that. So oh man, that looks good. That looks real good. Boom, right there. That's level right there. So how does that plate feel? That plate feels sturdy? Or do I want to put in that last screw? Man, that's real sturdy. Yeah, I'm not going to put in that last screw. The Nest came with two of these. This one and that one. This plate's sturdy. So I'm going to begin to put the plates on. Now, put this back over the metal plate. This portion right here is actually plastic. And I'm going to put this back on to get my level configuration. No, that ain't right. Come on. You were level a second ago. What changed, people? First, let me get you on here. Now that you're on here, now let's see what level looks like. Wow, are you serious? That plate's dead off. You guys take a look at this. Wow. You're about level according to my, oh, it's me. I'm the one that's crooked. So let me step back and zoom you out. Yeah. I'm the one that's crooked. Got my dot. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but see my little ball right there, my little dot in the level. So yeah. So I'm gonna leave you like this. Go ahead and pull you out. Tie a screw on this plate. And starting with the hand. You know what? I believe that the up and down screws go after. And you know what? I'm inclined to believe that the side-by-sides don't even matter. So, let's see. Told you I'm doing this on the fly. Yeah, side-by-side don't matter. Basically, they give you the opportunity to do it vertical or horizontal, landscape or portrait. Okay, so they give you, you know, that opportunity to do it that way. They should only give you 2 screws though, if that was true. So maybe my hunch is incorrect. Maybe I need to go ahead and screw these side screws and quit playing. Drill coming right handy right about now. Put my knuckles about had it. All right. And I have to put you sideways guys on now because there's only holes for that's interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. It pierced the wall. So this screw is deeper than that area. Started to pierce the wall. So so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and put in the nest. And I'm not going to do that left side. Because when I'm done tightening with the right side and here, that portion, that portion is actually coming through the top and the bottom of the nest. So what I've learned is it is better to place your wires first instead of screwing it and then trying to place your wires. And what I like about these is I don't have to screw nothing. So Y1, that's blue. So I'm going to push down. It's a little different, so let me pull you guys all the way out. Get you guys all the way up in here like that. All right. Y1, here we go. Good. Now you guys supposed to stay down like that, or you supposed to pop back up? All right, let's assume you're supposed to stay down because something's in there now. And the white was W1. So let's do the W1. And I guess the down lets you know that it's in there. The green, thank goodness, was in the G. And thank God there isn't a common wire. See the white's up, so it didn't get insecure. But let me go ahead and do this red. The red was in RC. Luckily, my memory serves me well. So the red was in RC. All right, so let's redo this white. All right, White, you want to play the game with everybody else? Because right now, just because you're on the other side of the circle, that doesn't mean you don't want to play the game. Come on, White. All right, good job, White. So now everybody's in place. Try to feed as much as that wire back in the wall. And get the unit in its little holes. Because you got holes that line up with this bezel. And now we got the units in the little holes. I'm going to start to screw those holes. Oh, crap. There we go. I need you to stay in place. All right. All right, you're in place now. Get that. Screw for the top. Loosen up a little bit, see if we can get you. There we go. There we go. All right. So I get those wires pushed in a little bit more. So now, that's in place. And it's like one final step. Okay? And that final step is the nest. See if I can, there we go. So the nest is in place. Now, before I did anything, I turned the breaker off. So I'm about to go turn the breaker back on. So you don't have to sit there and watch that. I'm going to go ahead and pause it, stop it, and pick back up when I get back. Oh man, climbing them attic stairs. So, obviously you can see it's turning on. And let's see what it does. All right. So, English. Internet connection. skip your location. Continue. North America, USA. How do I? Okay, one of them jobbies. Okay, cool. Things how I really don't know if I want you guys to know my zip code. I'm gonna do one of those numbers right there. And no offense to you guys, but there's some crazies out there. All right. Excuse me. So back to the next step. We live in a single family. Where's the thermostat? Family room. Set date and time. It is December. What is this, the 11th? I think so. Time. I have no idea what time it is. It is, all right, 7:30. I hope the internet updates it. 7:30 p.m. What do you want to know there? Oh, Eastern, duh. Done. Heating and cooling. Are you a Nest Pro? No, I'm a homeowner. Equipment detected heat, fan, power. Continue. Your system, heating and cooling fan. Continue. What fuel source is for your heating? Gas. What type of heating do you have? Forced air. Set up temperatures. Should Nest begin by heating and cooling your home? Or, heating. And heat to, okay. 70 degrees? What is the lowest and highest temperature you like when you're away? Done. System test. Now, Nest has configured your system. Continue. Your thermostat is not connected to Wi-Fi. Once connected, you'll be able to run the test on your system settings. Okay. Your adjustments help Nest learn preferred temperature schedule. Okay. The thermostat temperature sensor needs time to calibrate automatically. Okay. Finish. And there you go. Nest set heat to 68. F that. Oh, in 30 minutes. That's how long it's going to take. Yes. Well, folks, I hope this video has been, let me go ahead and turn that flash off. I hope this video has been productive and helpful. There it is. Turn off the light so you can see how it's illuminating for you. And this is MrMangoHead. I just installed the Nest. My wife is going to love me. What else? I'm happy. Smart home. So, as soon as I connect this to the internet, I'm going to connect it to Alexa, and then I'm going to tell Alexa to set temperatures. I gotta connect everything back to the internet. Okay, so Mango out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. all that good stuff. I appreciate you guys. And what is my thing that I'm going to say when I'm done? Because I can't say see you in the next one. I can't say that being said. Da, da, da. So what I'm going to say? I'm going to say yeah. Church is out. Peace.